Welcome. My name is Malachai, Field Service Engineer with the Siemens Field Support Group. Today we're going to be upgrading the Executive on the display module. Before the upgrade, you want to verify what software you have running on the box now. So let's take a look. Go to the Diags and Reports, press number 3, Reports and Logs, 1, and Reports. And we're going to do a configuration report. Next we want to go to number 8, Non-Vital, which is our display. This is where you'll see the version that's in the box now. To begin the upgrade, you'll need a flash drive with the software loaded onto it. One caveat to this is before you load it into the machine, it must be organized in a certain way, a certain file structure. What I always recommend is the machine will do it for you. Just insert your flash drive, press Enter, go to Software Updates, go down to Display Executive, and press Enter again. It will say File Not Found, but what it's doing right now is organizing the flash drive so we can put the software in the appropriate folder. Now you can see we have our software here. Here's the folder. Just click on the software, copy, SafeTran, GCP 4000, Executive, and paste. Now our flash drive is ready to update the software. Come back to your unit and install the flash drive. A message pops up that says USB detected. You'll press Enter, go to Software Updates, and go down to Display Executive. That's the file I want to install, 1.5.47R. You'll hit Enter, and you can see here by the activity light that it's pushing the software. Once it's finished, just press Enter to reboot. Green means it's okay to pull the flash drive out. Since the unit is booted back up, we know it has been a successful upgrade. If you have any questions about what we've done today, feel free to give us a call at technical support. Have a safe day.